Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to Hellman Tower and Town Wall Walkway. Let's go guys! Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you enjoy our journey. Guys, Shelmani Torn. Let's go inside. Yan ang ticket oh. Sorry. Let's go guys. Shelmani Torn. This is that ito yun guys oh. Yan. Ito ay spiral ladder, pero still guys. So umaakit tayo sa tower dahil yan ang tower guys. So spiral stair. Oh my god. Oh dear. Ganun pala. They have to follow us. Follow me. Oo. Ingat. Napakanaro guys. Ayan na. Oh dear. Oh my. Guys, ito na yun. This is a must. Ang entrance guys ay 4 euros lang per person. So makikita nyo yung old town. Thank you. And this is a good. You can see there. So this is the wall. Ito ang sarili natin. Lakad tayo guys. Ayan. Ito yung makikita niyo. Ayan. And ayan. O diba? Lakad tayo dito guys. Ito lang ang wall guys. Nilagyan lang nila ng daanan ng walkway. Yan ang mga yun ang pintuhan natin, isang tower, yung isa, yun ang kabila. So ito oh guys, oh look. Yan. O diba? Yun ang hotel namin guys, oh. Hotel Beru. Kung makikita ninyo, tanaw, yung gitnang yan, yun ang aming hotel. Yan oh. Hindi pa kami naglalakad oh there. Biyak kita sa tower. Marinaro guys. Ito yung mga kasaysayang nangyari noon at ngayon. Pinlow out nila, ang ganda. Oh, di ba? Noon at ngayon. Original black and white. naging napalitan na, pero parang parehas lang naman. Nakikita nyo ba? Yan oh. Then I'm going up. Let me see. Dalawa palang tower to. Landahan be. Napakalaro ng kuhan. Ang liit ng step. Sobrang liit. Half of way of my shoes lang eh. Wow, ang ganda nito. Ito yung circular guys oh. Meron. Yan oh. Taas pa tayo dun sa taas. Yan oh. Ito ang pinaka magandang puntahan. Meron pa. Teka, wait. I'm coming. Sorry. Oh, I have to go? Oh, thank you so much. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. If I'm claustrophobic here,
Be careful.
Jesus Christ, I'm not fit. Thank you. Ang ganda. Dapat tayo dito guys. Ito yun. Yan. Ito niyo, ang ganda. Yan lang yun oh, guys oh.
The United States.
What part?
Georgia, Atlanta.
We are from Atlanta.
No, I believe it.
No, we're at the University of Georgia.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng views guys oh.
That's a small world.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we're here on study abroad. We're with like a group of like 25 students from there. Yeah, and our professors.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you all.
Yeah, small world.
Papa Ling. You want to come here? One, two, three.
Yan guys, ito ang unang tower. Look guys, yan ang daanan oh. Halos isang kasya lang ako. Andito yun. Yan ang dinaanan namin kanina. Yung wooden walkway. Yun ang gitnang tower. Yun ang main entrance sa gitna. At yung sa kabilang dulo. Yung pangalawa. Ah, ayun daw ang camera.
Slow and steady.
Beautiful guys, so look. And that is the old town inside. Ayan. Ang ganda. Tapos sa kabila. Oh. Ayan, ang ganda. Fresh yan, no? Okay, oh, ayan. Yan yung aming dinadaanan, yung ganong kahabaan. Yan yun. Okay. Ang ganda rito. Ito yung second tower in the middle. O, akit tayo sa taas. I think this is the same. I think this is better. Taas guys. Oh my God. This is much better. is our hotel. This is another window. This is another window. Yan, dyan naman ako sa kabila. Diyan kami kanina. Doon sa isang tower na yon. Yan guys, oh. So ito naman, nasa gitna na kami ng platform. And here we are in... Yan ako, dalawa, oh. Yan ang map. Yan ang aking spiral and then tower. Hingil Kalabaw, guys. Cane Wall, one of the oldest section of the city wall. In the 40th century, Danish king Valdemar II authorized building of the fortification now known as the Cane Wall, and access from the first defense floor of Hellman Tower under the direction of the war specialist Johan Kane. Yun guys, screenshot nyo na lang. Yan ang kabuuan ng tower na to na nilagyan na ng... Ito yung butas. So ito yung pinaka main window o door. At makikita ninyo yan ang buong Old Town again. Ang ganda guys. Look, para siyang remind me the brown or terracotta roof sa Croatia, Dubrovnik. Ayan, given guys. Ang ganda ng garden nila. Ayan. So ito yun. Ooh, that's nice. Alright, ang pagpupukos. Grabe, may dalang plastic souvenir. Kabeb! Guys, this is another one. Ano to? Mga pa-table lang. Mga pa-table lang ni Mayor. So, yun guys. Yan, lakad tayo. Dito na tayo bababa. Sarado na, binahayan. Wala ba tayo naiiwan? Aking cellphone. Ayan. And here we go. Ganda ng bubong, oh. Binubungan na talaga nila. Ganyan lang palang pagtatahi ng bubong. My God. Alambre lang. Ate mo. Ay, wala palang daan dito. Walang daan. Oh my God. Guys, bumalik kami dito sa Tallinn Tourist Information Center. Kukuha lang ako ng mapa.
Yun.
Thank you for watching DNT Travel Buddies. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next adventure here in Tallinn, Estonia. Thanks for watching guys, and God bless us all. See you next one. Bye.